Hello, just a quick video about switching DC with relay contacts or any other mechanical contacts. Okay, we're at 340 watts now, and this is using our PowerPoint controller. Let me turn that off. Let's see, it goes down to about 2 watts. That's because I'm powering 2 controllers right now. But I have this little relay clicking on and off, and that's powering this relay over here. And I did this once before, and before I could even get the camera turned on, this relay burned up. You can see this big black mark. It burned through the circuit board. But you know, we'll be looking at these contacts. You can see them moving, going back and forth. Now what I'm going to do is remove this wire. Like I say, we're at, well, let's drop down to 285. But that might be enough to show. So it's switching that power, and you don't see anything. So let me turn this off now. And I'm going to hook it up in direct connect. Okay, we're in a direct connect mode now, and I'm going to start switching that relay back and forth. Oh, they welded. Short video, but that's how it's done.